Hey friends, Dave here at Transfer Express, and today I want to tell you how you could win a brand new heat press with our Merry Craftmas giveaway. In addition to our pink craft press grand prize, 2 other lucky winners will receive a $100 product credit to transferexpress.com and then a brand new 2023 marketing kit, our t-shirt business in a box. 3 people, 3 prizes, and the best part of all is absolutely free and fun to enter. Now the first step is going to be to hit that subscribe button right there, and then next let's hop on over to transferexpress.com and I'll show you how to enter. Right off the bat, let's click right here on this green online designer button right at the top of the page. Now you could log in, or if you don't already have a Transfer Express account, you could create one for free. And there's no need for a tax ID or business license, and you don't even need to put in your credit card info. Now, just for signing up, we're going to send you a full welcome pack with an artwork catalog, pricing guide, and some screen printed and digital transfer samples for you to try yourself. Look, you're already getting some free stuff, so everybody wins. Now the next step is creating some artwork in our EasyView online designer. It is super easy, as the name implies, and you're going to be surprised with the end results here. Now, regardless if you could draw a stick figure or not, you could create custom t-shirt designs like a pro right here for free online. So let's start designing. We'll just click right here to add a layout over on the left-hand side. Here you could see the thousands and thousands of free customizable layouts in the online designer. But you can browse all of these designs later. We're trying to win a heat press right now. So let's go up here to dealer only in this category and click right here on head to toe gang sheets. Clicking on QGS 11 right here is going to open the contest artwork up. Now it's time to customize. Now what you could do is just click and delete the placeholder rooster right here in the middle and replace it with any of the clip art that's shown here on the screen, or add something else from the entire clip art library here on the left hand side under Add Clip Art. I like this festive little truck that we have on our sheet, so let's use that one. Just clicking and dragging makes designing and resizing easy. Next, we're going to edit the text. Just by double clicking, we could change it to whatever you want to say. Maybe we'll type in Merry Craftmas, Happy Holidays, 'Tis the season for a new heat press. Yeah, whatever you want it to be is a-okay for our contest right here. Now once you're done with the text, you could change the fonts right up here in the edit menu if you want. Or you could change the ink colors by clicking on this little swatch. And then we could even change the background apparel color here on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. You don't have to get fancy like this, but I want to make mine look festive and show you how to do it. Then anything we don't want on our sheet, all of this extra art, we could just select it all and delete. Now it's gone. Now the last step is to screenshot this right here, or head on over to this mock-up button on the left blue bar. You could click download here and download your art watermarked, or if you want to get fancy, we can even mock up our design here on a real t-shirt. I'll click use apparel, select a shirt, select a color, and arrange our artwork on our shirt. Here you could customize the watermark to your own name or remove it by clicking on the little slider here in this mock-up menu. And then we could just click download right here at the bottom. Okay, regardless of how you downloaded, mocked up, or took a screenshot of your artwork, the final step is going to be to email your creation to contest@transferexpress.com, and that's it, you're entered. And just like that, you created a custom t-shirt design in just a few minutes online for free. It really is that easy, and now you're also entered to win a brand new heat press. Don't worry if your design isn't a masterpiece. We'll be selecting our winners randomly from all of the entries. And you only need to enter once. Multiple entries won't improve your chances of winning. Now you're subscribed, right? Because we'll be announcing all of our winners right here on YouTube December 22nd at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Tune in, we'll give out prizes and share some of the awesome artwork that you guys created. We cannot wait to see what you come up with. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing!